Tommy, something weird is happening at the old house down the street.
What kind of weird?
I swear I saw a light flicker in the attic window last night. But no one's lived there for years.
Probably just the street light or a car passing by.
Maybe. But I heard footsteps just now, and they're coming from inside.
Are you messing with me?
No, I'm serious. I'm too scared to check alone.
Stay inside. I'm on my way.
Wait, I just got a text from an unknown number. You shouldn't be here.
Delete it and don't reply.
It just sent another one. Leave now or join us forever.
I'm outside. Don't open any doors.
I hear whispering at the door. The lock is turning by itself.
Run out the back now!
I'm running, but something just grabbed my ankle.